Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can detach or separate the audio from your video clips in a Shotcut video editor in 2025. So let us get started. Alright guys, head over to a video project on Shotcut and add the video clip from your library you would like to detach the audio from and move it from your library to your timeline here, just like that. So as you can see, that video clip features audio indicated by these ups and downs or these spikes here, for instance, and I would like to separate that video clip and convert the audio from that video clip into a separate audio track below. This is how you can do it, guys. Simply right click into your video clip, select, let me find it, detach audio, and there you go. After that, your audio will be separated from your or detached from your video clip, which will technically mute your video clip. If you, for example, removed your audio from that audio track here, your video will be basically muted. Of course, you can, let me just press Ctrl Z. You may customize and edit your audio here as well on your audio track and apply, for example, various volume or other filters, increase the volume and so on and so forth, and apply various effects. So that's how you detach the audio from video clips on Shotcut in 2025. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.